bow to all the seekers of truth. Actually, we are all seeking the truth. So many of us. But so far, so many couldn't find and they are lost. Now, what is the truth? What is the truth about yourself? The truth is that you are not this body. You are not these emotions. But what are you? You are the Spirit. All the great saints and incarnations have said that you are the Spirit. And what we are trying to find out is our selfhood. We are after that research about ourselves. We've done lots of mistakes also by misguided people. But I must say that there is a built-in arrangement within us, every one of you, which will take you to that selfhood, which will give you that self-realization. It's very surprising that they have not talked about Kundalini so far. There is a power within all of you, which is the Kundalini, which is 3.5 coiled energy in your, I should say, behind your triangular bone, or it is inside it, and is waiting for that moment when it can be awakened and it can pass through the different centers, piercing through your fontanelle bone area. And that's how you get your self-realization, that you feel cool breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. It's an actualization. It is not my lecture or reading or anything. It's actualization which has to take place. If you don't get it, doesn't matter. Next time you can get it. But most of them do get it in a collective way. It's very surprising that it took so many years for people to come to this state where they are asking for the real thing. This is your own. This power is your own. And it is just waiting there to be awakened. Any amount of lecturing, any amount of reading, nothing can help. What is needed is just a quiet mind, and it works. It works under every circumstances. It's very surprising. This was the time, perhaps, was meant to be this way. I have been to this country many a times before also. First time when I came, I was so surprised how people were running after falsehood. So I gave it up. After 9 years I came, thinking that what's the matter with these people? Why can't they understand what they have to achieve, what they have to get? Whatever is written and said by all the saints, by all the incarnations. I couldn't understand why they were satisfied with all kinds of nonsense. And somehow they came to America and prospered here with all their untruth. It's very sad that we have lost so many beautiful seekers in that pursuit. Now I have to tell you one thing, simple thing, that you must know that you have every right to know yourself, to become self-realized. Every one of you. Nobody can force it and nobody can deny it. It is your fundamental right by which you can get your self-realization. If you are a human being, that's sufficient. Whether you belong to America or to India or to any other place, everyone has this right to get your self-realization. As a result of self-realization, what happens? That's the point. Firstly, you start feeling the divine vibrations on your fingertips. Divine vibrations like cool breeze, and it starts flowing through your hands. You'll be amazed when it first happens. You start doubting. I know people who went and closed their doors and windows. I wanted to test and find out if they had those cool breeze. You have it. It's a sign of yourself emitting these pure vibrations. As a result of that, so many other things can happen. But the most important thing is that you become a very peaceful person. You become a very balanced person. And you become that witness about which all the religions have taught. You get to the state of that witness. And once you become the witness, you see the whole picture, the whole world, in a very different manner. You become the witness. It's a state in which watch everything. Do not react, but you watch. And your presence itself will help people. I know America nowadays is in a very difficult state and people are quite frightened. If they were realized souls, they would never have been. The power of realization is so great. Not that it enlightens you, but it enlightens others, it enlightens the atmosphere. So it's very important that you get your last breakthrough of your evolution and get to that state which we call as self-realization. It is an entry into the divine powers and the spiritual realm of life, which is very, very surprisingly, very much surprisingly is very difficult to understand otherwise. But once you become a realized soul, automatically you know what it is.